In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Microsoft Outlook. If you want Outlook to feel more comfortable, more personal, and easier to use every day, this is a great place to start. Outlook includes several built-in appearance settings that let you change the overall look and feel of your mailbox without affecting your emails or account data. It only changes how the interface appears to you, so it's a simple and safe way to make the app fit your preferences. To begin, open Outlook on your device and wait for the main screen to load fully. Once you're in your inbox or on the main Outlook page, look toward the upper area of the screen for the gear icon. This is the Settings button, and it's where you'll find most of the basic customization options for your Outlook experience. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open the Settings panel. When that panel appears, look for the General section. Click on General and then select Appearance. This is the area where Outlook gives you control over how the interface looks. Inside the appearance settings, you can freely customize several visual options. For example, you may be able to choose between light mode and dark mode, depending on what feels easier on your eyes. Light mode is often better in bright environments, while dark mode can feel more comfortable in low light or during long periods of screen time. You can also explore available themes, which change the visual style of Outlook and can make the workspace feel cleaner, more colorful, or more professional, depending on your taste. Take a moment here to try different options and see the preview as you switch between them. This is helpful because you can immediately see what works best before settling on a final look. If you use Outlook frequently throughout the day, even small appearance changes can make the experience more pleasant and easier to navigate. Feel free to explore the other available appearance settings as well. Depending on your version of Outlook, you may see additional display options that affect layout or interface styling. The best approach is to test a few combinations and choose the setup that feels most comfortable and practical for your daily workflow. And that's how to customize Microsoft Outlook. Once you've adjusted the appearance settings to your liking, Outlook will feel a bit more tailored to you, which can make everyday email management smoother and more enjoyable.